Good morning, BNI, and good morning to all our guests for today. Welcome to Hope, a health and opportunity presentation and experience. Lifestyles is an international corporation founded in 1989 in Toronto, Canada. We are now 35 years in the industry of health and wellness. We have several offices and ships worldwide. We provide health and wellness solutions and a proud member of the Rex Selling Association. It was founded by David Devera, a Jewish descent entrepreneur. Now, our modern lifestyles today can be attributed why we age so fast. We got sick by afflicting various illnesses. It's all because of unhealthy eating habits, lack of exercise, stress, and environmental pollution. All this contributes to the pollution that accumulates in our body as we grow. Here are the health implications of the body pollutions. One is the weakened immune system, hormonal imbalance, active free radicals, organ damage, attacks brain and nervous system, obesity. As you can see from the screen, these are the illnesses associated with it. To abreast you of the Philippine health facts, did you know that 9 people are diagnosed with cancer every hour? So paano na yung hindi nagpapakonsulta? Lung cancer is the highest cause of death in men. In year 2022, Philippines has the highest breast cancer in Asia. 9.7% of Philippine adult has diabetes and 25.7% of Philippine adult has high blood pressure. That is where the lifestyle products comes in. Every lifestyle product is scientifically formulated to meet your health requirements and carefully tested to ensure safety, purity, and reliability. It is regulated by Health Canada, measured by GMP and HACCP standards. It is halal certified and kosher 341 certified for our Muslim and Jewish brothers and sisters. In Philippines, it is FDA approved. Now, introducing our lifestyles product, Intra, Nutria Plus, Cardiolife, and FiberLife. What is Intra? Intra is our flagship product. It is already 35 years in the market. Because of its potent content of 23 botanical extracts, the formula has not been changed since its inception. It helped millions of people achieve better health by strengthening and protecting the entire human body. Now, our human body has 8 biological systems. And intra nourishes these 8 biological systems compared to other herbal products in the market. Our 8 biological systems consist of cardiovascular and digestive system, eliminative, endocrine, immune, nervous system, reproductive, and structural. Our second product is Fiber Life. It is a revolutionary and proprietary soluble fiber blend. It is easy as ABC to remember: appetite control, blood sugar level control, and cholesterol level control for heart diseases. Our third product is Nutria Plus. Proven benefits are reduced inflammation of the body, the root cause of many diseases. Number two, prevent and heal skin damage due to mild UV exposure. And number three, improve tissue repair and regeneration, which is the anti-aging. Number four is prevent abnormal cellular growth, which is cancer prevention. Our fourth product is CardioLife, a scientifically formulated dietary supplement providing vitamins and minerals and plant extracts that support cardiovascular health and circulation throughout the body. It contains a unique and well-studied brand of vitamin K2 called Vita MK7. It is known to enhance blood flow by removing the calcium from the blood and depositing it to the bones where it belongs. With CardioLife every day, it maintains the health of the arteries and blood vessels, optimizes blood flow throughout the body, thereby keeping the heart and cardiovascular system strong and healthy. Number three is maximize brain health and overall well-being by ensuring healthy blood circulations. Now, I have this question for you. How much do you care for your body? We must take care of it. more than anything else. As lifestyle products works in a network marketing platform, we offer 10% up to 40% discount plus free bottles of Intra free on top of the passive income that can be passed on to your generation of your choice. In year 2023, Lifestyle Philippines has been listed as number one multi-level marketing in the Philippines. As a disclaimer, no approved therapeutic claims and products sold and income may vary. Our top problem solved. These are our top problems solved. And my dream referral for this month are people who prioritizes their current health and wellness state. Thank you. Please contact me at my mobile number and my email address. This is my QR code. You can take picture of it and let's have a good discussion. Thank you so much.